This is Poland, a pastry shop on Benavides Street beside the decades-old Masuki Noodle House. It's one of the most famous bake shops here in the Philippines, selling hopia, a kind of flaky pastry with various fillings such as red or green bean, ube, Philippine purple yam, and sometimes a little pork, etc. Hopia is how the Chinese Filipino pastry sellers branded this. Pia is pastry, biscuit, and ho, which is the Hokkien word for good. This pastry has other regional variations as the Southeast Asian Chinese diaspora adapted the flavor to the local palate. It may be known as some other prefix plus pia, which means pastry biscuit, as I said earlier elsewhere. These are Hokkien Chinese pronunciations. Speaking of regional twists, this savvy Poland bakery has a hopia with ube, Philippine purple yam, and cheese filling that I doubt you'll find outside of the Philippines. Queso is a type of Philippine processed cheese that you can find in a lot of Filipino baked goods and desserts. I got one to try. It's pretty delicious. The crust is flaky and crumbly, but not too starchy.